Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use green oxide powder. First, ensure your workspace is well ventilated and you're wearing appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and a dust mask. This fine pigment can easily become airborne, so protecting your respiratory system and skin is crucial for a safe application process. Let's get started with the simple steps. Achieving the perfect shade is all about careful mixing. Begin by adding a small quantity of green oxide powder to your chosen medium, whether it's concrete, plaster, or paint. Stir it in completely, then slowly incorporate more powder until you reach your desired depth of green. Remember, a little goes a long way with this concentrated pigment, so add it incrementally. Once your mixture is ready, it's time for application. For concrete, spread it uniformly with a trowel. If you're painting, use a brush or roller for an even coat. For smaller crafts, a fine brush works well. Ensure the application is consistent to avoid streaks or uneven coloring. Proper drying time, often 24 to 48 hours, is essential for the color to set. To ensure your green oxide project lasts, sealing is a vital final step. A good quality sealant will protect the color from environmental factors and wear, making it more durable. It also often deepens and enriches the green hue. Apply the sealant according to the manufacturer's instructions, allowing it to cure fully for maximum protection and a beautiful, lasting finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.